All right, 4.2 trig functions of acute angles.
I know I am. Thank you.
Oh boy, it's gonna be a long day.
You're a cute angle too. Oh, that line is not straight. But
Oh my gosh.
can you use pink?
Today's not the day.
Can
Today
you use
is
pink,
just
please?
No.
yay. It worked.
I'm using
Purple
purple.
it is.
Purple's close enough.
Purple's the best.
I second that.
Trig functions.
Yay.
Let theta be an acute angle in the right triangle ABC.
Oh no.
And then the sine of theta is equal to opposite over the hypotenuse.
Uh-oh.
Cosine is equal to adjacent over the hypotenuse. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Cosecant,
Forgot about those.
How did you write all that so fast?
hypotenuse
Hypotenuse
over opposite. Secant, hypotenuse over adjacent. And cotangent is adjacent over opposite.
Oh.
Take it.
And you can remember that with SOHCAHTOA.
Can you write? Oh,
What is
yeah, you did.
SOHCAHTOA?
SOHCAHTOA?
We've done it literally every
Sine, opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent, opposite over adjacent.
Yeah. That is so nice. Thank you.
Those are all the notes, right?
Okay, that is so much. We did so much shit. I'm just kidding.
We're not done.
I know. We have to do examples.
Oh,
Will we have homework?
I don't know yet. Maybe.
Okay.
I've never used this color combination before.
Is it purple and blue?
How have you never used it?
I lost my purple and blue.
I mean, I probably have, but not pre-cal.
Those are really cool.
All right. Find the values of all six trig functions of theta.
What?
How about no?
What? I'm highlighting it.
Oh, I can make perfect triangles for the first time ever.
That's exciting, bro.
I can't draw simple shapes.
I'm asking for one of those iPad things.
You'll probably lose it.
That is true.
Or break it.
Or forget your password.
Shut up. It's too soon to be making fun of that situation.
You forgot your password?
Yeah, so then I couldn't sign up for the SAT, and then I got.
Oh.
And she forgot her password for
I thought you
Facebook.
meant your
I actually
password
did the
for your
same thing
phone.
For,
I
the
forgot it
SAT.
too.
Yeah, and
but
I'm
mine
still
was
not signed
fine.
up for the SAT.
Mine's
girl, you best get on that.
We did it last night, and then it like didn't.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
My mom and I
And
did
it's
that
full.
in about, we had to fill everything in like
It takes forever.
20 minutes. Yeah. And then I had to take a picture of myself, and it was not it.
I just thought it.
My mom was like, alright, Joel, take a picture of yourself and send it to me. The thing actually.
All right, so set them up. Sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent.
These problems always take so much space.
My lips are dry.
Now we're kind of doing what algebra does. Well, they were doing.
Are they still doing this?
They're on to harder trig now.
Yeah, they were doing this a
Ow!
couple weeks ago.
Elbow.
Okay, sine is 8 over square root of 13.
113.
113.
And then it would be 8 times square root of 113 over 113.
Why did I copy
What? 7. Flip it all upside down.
The square root of 113 over 8. You have the square root of 113 over 7. And you have 7 over 8.
Excellent.
Is that the answer?
Excellent.
Yes.
Yep, that's it.
Let's go.
Woo.
Go squad.
That'd be the hardest thing we do all day, please.
It's funny.
Oh my gosh.
Alright. Assume that theta is an acute angle in a right triangle satisfying the given conditions. Evaluate the remaining trig functions.
But
Sine of theta is equal to 2 over 3.
Okay.
So you're given that. You need to draw the triangle.
Okay. Okay, we got this, guys.
Do we?
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
So your opposite is 2. And your hypotenuse is 3.
Hypotenuse is 3.
And we need to find the...
are you using the Pythagorean theorem? So, just like a squared would equal, well, plus 2 squared equals 3 squared.
Oh, yes.
Sine is opposite.
That's one way to do it.
So 4 equals 6. Then you have to divide. Oh, wait.
What?
Hold on. I didn't realize there was another thing to do. Just disregard.
I don't understand why you have it in a square root.
I didn't think it was
Because
Because it's a squared
You're
plus
gonna
b
have to-
squared equals c squared. I have c and then either a or b, whichever one you want to call it. So I take the square root of the hypotenuse minus the side, and both of those things are squared.
2.24.
Leave it as radical. I don't want decimals for any of this. It's just 9 minus 4.
5. Oh. Yeah.
So then now we can put that in here
Why don't you want a decimal?
because you're getting ready to write them all as functions, and I want everybody's answers to look the same.
That makes sense.
Don't worry, mine will look good.
That was a good one, Ariel. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, sine equals.
We were given that one.
Uh-huh. Alright, next one. Great. Square root of 5 over 3.
So then 2 over the square root of 5, so that would equal 2 square root of 5 over 5. I can't talk for long periods of time. I still can't read out my notes, guys.
3 over 2. And 3 square root of 5 over 5. And then just the square root of 5 over 2. Cool.
Yo.
I knew what I was doing.
Look at that, y'all remember.
It was review. So that's probably why.
Can that be the hardest one for me?
No, we're doing one more
Wait, this is it? We're doing only one more?
for today.
Okay. Okay, one more, guys. We can do this.
I have to go to English and cry.
Yeah, English is gonna be
What
rough.
are we doing?
Literally
Vocab?
discussing chapter
We don't
11
do
or
vocab
something.
anymore.
No, we
It's
don't.
on next quarter.
Oh!
It is next
Hey,
one.
she's probably in the citing vocab.
Already did it.
Alright, secant of theta is 17 over 5.
So that means that the sign, well, we don't have to flip it. I mean, I might.
Let's draw this.
Whatever, it's fine. Okay, triangle.
So the hypotenuse is 17 and the adjacent is 5.
Alright. So.
But that's on a right angle, so how can you have a hypotenuse?
It is.
It's
Well,
supposed
it
to
is.
be.
It just doesn't look like it.
Okay. Just, sorry.
B equals. Oh, well, it can be A too, I guess.
There you go. It doesn't matter. It's whatever.
Okay, so 25 minus. What's 17 squared?
Well, it wouldn't be 25 minus.
264. It's the square root of 264.
How did you get that?
Gotta do
17
hypotenuse
squared
minus the
minus
side.
Oh.
No, the whole thing. I already did 17 squared minus 5 squared. It's 264.
Oh.
It's just 264.
Well, what is 17 squared then?
289.
Gotta write it all out for us. Dumb ones.
Hey, that was rude.
Just kidding. Kidding.
Sine
We're not
of
done.
theta equals.
We might be late in the head sometimes.
And I know that you can take something out of this, but don't.
Square root of 264.
Like, just leave it.
17.
Well, I'm glad you knew my flashlight.
Knew
Neither
what?
did I.
Okay, so sine opposite over hypotenuse.
Help.
5 over 17.
What?
What?
Square root of 264 over 17.
Oh, sorry, I forgot that we already.
And it's 5 over 17.
Tangent.
Square root of 264.
What is sine? We're on sine.
Square root of
Opposite.
264
Oh,
over 17.
I already said that one.
You weren't ready.
5 over 17 is the next one. And then the square root of 264 over 17. And then you have 17 times the square root of 264 over 264. And then you have then you have 5 times the square root of 264 over 264.
No, tangent is not that. 17.
Well, the
Well,
tangent is
tangent's
5
also not.
on the bottom.
Yeah.
It's 5. I know. I'm sorry, guys. My brain's not working.
I was like, tangent's also not that.
So you
Nothing's
have
working.
5 times the square root of 264 over 264.
Yeah.
Cool.
like that.
Sweet.
Good job, everyone. We love this.
3, 11, 15, and 17.
How many more examples do we have?
Like for this section.
Mhm.